Hey everyone, welcome to this short video on Angular. In this video, we will learn about what's new with the new Angular 13 version. I'm sure you're aware that Angular rolled out their new version, that is Angular 13 on November 3rd, 2021. This video brings you all the updates you need to know. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon to never miss an update. So let's dive in. Before understanding what's new, let's have a quick look at what is Angular. Angular is an open source JavaScript framework written in TypeScript. Google maintains it and its primary purpose is to develop single-page applications. As a framework, Angular has clear advantages while also providing a standard structure for developers on a team to work with. It enables users to develop large applications in a maintainable manner. Angular has released several versions over the past few years. With every release, it has seen significant improvements, making it a popular choice amongst developers today. So, let's look at what's new with Angular 13. So the first one is, it's completely IVY. Followed by that, we have a new update that is API Component Update. Next, we have modifications in the Angular package format. Followed by that, we have bye-bye to Internet Explorer. Next is the framework modifications and dependency updates. Next, we have improved testing and debugging. Followed by that, we have some performance improvements, and finally, we have improvements in Angular CLI. Now, let's look at each one of them in detail. The first one, it's completely IVY. The View engine is no longer available with the Angular 13 update, and the framework is now 100% IVY. These will help to speed up the compilation and boost platform efficiency for your projects. Next, the API Component Update. Before the changes in Angular version 13, dynamically creating components required a lot of boilerplate code. The new API removes the need for component factory resolver being injected into the constructor. Ivy creates the opportunity to instantiate the component with view container ref.create component without creating an associated factory. Followed by that, we have the modifications in the Angular package format. The Angular package format APF has been streamlined and modernized to better serve developers. To streamline the APF in version 13, the team removed older output formats including View engine specific metadata. To modernize it, they have standardized on more modern JavaScript formats such as ES 2020. Libraries built with the latest version of the APF will no longer require the use of NGCC. As a result of these changes, library developers can expect leaner package outputs and faster execution. Now, the fourth update. Bye-bye to Internet Explorer 11. Removing IE11 support allows Angular to leverage modern browser features such as CSS variables and web animations via native web APIs. What's more, the apps will be smaller and load faster because we can remove IE-specific polyfills and code paths. It also removes the need for differential loading. Developers will benefit from improved APIs and build infrastructure, while application users will benefit from faster loading and an improved user experience. Now, the fifth update. Framework modifications and dependency updates. Angular version 13 also features some helpful updates and important changes. First up, RxJS 7.4 is the default for apps created with ng new. Existing apps using RxJS version 6 will have to manually update using the npm install rxjs at 7.4 command. Now, let's look at the sixth update, improved testing and debugging. There are important improvements to TestBed that now do a better job of tearing down test modules and environments after each test. The DOM is now cleaned after every test and developers can expect faster, less memory intensive, less independent and more optimized tests. Now let's jump into the seventh update, that is the performance improvements. These recent updates in Angular 13 have undoubtedly resulted in major improvements by introducing unusual modifications such as the opt-in feature is enabled by default. Global scripts and bundles have been optimized. In union type templates, auto-completion is supported. Now, let's look at the final update, that is, improvements in the Angular command line interface. Angular now supports the use of persistent build cache by default for new version 13 projects. The valuable feedback from RFC persistent build cache by default led to this tooling update that results in up to 68% improvement in build speed and more ergonomic options. And so with that, we have come to an end of this short video on Angular 13. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for being here, and watch out for more videos from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.